Hi, it's February 15th. I just finished up OMNICAMP with Oscar Carboni for the last 4 days. And I'll give you a little bit of background. I started out in the Omni room with Oscar's free membership, and I spent about 3 months doing his room and listening to his trades and trying to figure out what Oscar was doing. And I realized that Oscar's approach was extremely successful. But I was doing, fake trades, paper trades. And so then I ended up purchasing Oscar's premium membership to his room. So I got access to his trades, his entries, his exits, and the trades that he was doing. And did that for about another 3 months. And it was extremely successful. Oscar's style of trade, the system that he has in place, worked very, very well for me. And so the next natural step for me was to attend his OMNICAMP, and that's where we are at today. We just finished up 5 days of OMNICAMP, and I will tell you what, I've spent 15 years in this industry, paying a tremendous amount of money for all kinds of systems, all kinds of philosophies on how to trade and how to trade successfully. Oscar's approach that he has taught us over the last 5 days is the most successful approach and most practical approach to trading that you will ever see. I am 100% confident that this system I will be using not for the next 10 days, not for the next 10 weeks, but for the next 10 years, and have no doubt in my mind that I will be absolutely successful with Oscar's system that he has taught us over the last 5 days. I would highly, highly recommend taking the time and the opportunity to join his room. It's free to join his room. Listen to what people are saying. Listen to what Oscar is doing. Check out the trades that he's recommending for free. Then join his platinum service. He will give you the trades, the entries, the exits, and the trades to take, and do that for 3 or 4 months and see how well you do. Then take the next step and come to the OMNICAMP. You will never regret it. Oscar, his family, and everybody involved with the OMNICAMP are absolutely outstanding people. And you can always feel free to contact me with any questions or any concerns that you might have. Have a great day.